What's up, guys? E the mechanic here. I just wanted to come on here real quick and show y'all what I was working on. I got called to a mobile job. This is a '08 Ford Escape with a no start issue, and the customer originally wanted me to do the starter, and I was like, no, let me. So I get here and I check it out. Like I said, the customer wanted me to replace a starter, and I come out here and immediately I go check the fuses. All that's good. I jumped it from the relay. It starts perfectly fine from the starter relay. So then I'm like, okay, maybe it's the ignition switch. I got the ignition switch out right here. So this is the ignition switch right here. So you can see that mechanism right there for the key. And basically, to test the ignition switch, you just put a screwdriver in there, turn it, and it starts up. So then that tells me the ignition switch is good. So after that, I start inspecting this deal right here, which is what turns the key, and it has too much play. It's not supposed to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order a whole new ignition switch module, I guess it's what it's called, but it comes all together with the new ignition switch and everything. And yeah, guys, I just thought I would come on here and show you guys how to test a faulty ignition switch. That way you replace the right part, you know. And this came out fairly easily. It goes in there like this. The pigtail goes facing the dash, and you just pry it from the bottom with a flathead screwdriver. You can see the mark right there where you just poke that and it slides right off. But don't forget to follow me and like my video, guys.